Hello Internet! I will be teaching you today about some stuff you can do with Windows Live Movie Maker using Windows 7. Alright, I am going to import a photo so I have something to play with. As you can see, the photo automatically gives me 5 slides. If you would like to import a video, you can use this button, or if you open up a folder of videos, you can just drag it where you want it, and it'll automatically put it in there for you. Now, to alter how many of these you see, you can use the scrolly thing, and this gets much shorter or much longer. So that is just some wildlife, I am assuming. Yeah, that's just wildlife. Boring. Okay, much more interesting. Okay, so let's say that I want to put a caption on Kay's face, because I feel like doing that. So I'm going to click on caption, and it gives me this thing that I can move around. This I'm going to put up here, and I'm going to say, what should I say? Hello world! I'm going to put this in a different color so that you can see it better. That did not work. I'll put it in red. There we go. So you can see it says hello world, and it shows up down here. Now when you click on format, it's going to tell you how long the text is going to stay there. I'm going to make it 3 seconds just to show you. One of these frames equals 1 second, so that's 1, 2, 3 seconds. It also gives you the start time, which is how many seconds in this line is. And let's say I also want to put some audio over this. So, what I'm going to do is record the audio, first of all, and if you have Windows 7, you will have the sound recorder option. So, I'll just record something. Tick-tock goes the clock. And I can stop recording, and it will tell me, it will ask me where I want to save this. I'll just save this over here. And I'll close this, and I'll add music. Now I can add music just starting at the beginning, or I can add music starting at the current point. Because I have my cursor thing right here, I will add it at the current point. I will click on this, and it will add the music above the frame. Now this, either the caption or the music, you can click on it and move it around. So if I want Hello World to start over here, I just drag it back, and it stays the same length, it just moves where it starts at. So if I hit play from here, tick-tock, see? Works just fine. Also, you can do other fancy things like the animations. If you hover over these, it will give you a preview of the different effects that you can do. If you do this, the picture... If you do this, the picture will move. The caption will not, however. If you go over to the visual effects, you can make it funny colors. If you go here, this is where in your video you can actually split the video into 2 different parts. So if I didn't want this, I could just remove it. I right click to get that menu. Or if I want to split it here and move this whole frame, I move it up there. Okay? So that is the basics of what I did. The only other thing is to get credits at the end, you can go to home, and you can say credits, and I'll put that in there. Now this I can move around. It's the same with any other kind of caption. So if I'm going to remove this because that's annoying. If I hit play here, the credits actually roll like credits are supposed to. You can also just add a caption in where the credits go, and you can also add a title sequence, which will happen wherever your cursor happens to be. So if I wanted to move this, I could zoom back out and click on this and just drag it over to the beginning. And then my title sequence is in the beginning. So that is how you work Windows Live Movie Maker. There's also a thing that you can do with putting a picture like up here inside of a separate video, and I will put a link to a website that explains how to do that in the description.